is up, you guys? It is Parker here with Deco Exchange.
See?
Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
So, this already came painted for me. So I just kind of picked through what um I had in my stash. I cut a piece of foam. Let's see, it's about 5 inches. Okay, so I'm pretty generous with that hot glue. I put that right in the middle. So I'm gonna get some foam and I'm just gonna place it on there. And I don't like to glue down my foam simply because when that glue dries, if you don't have like a pick machine, it becomes really hard for the picks and stems to go through that foam. Okay, so that's what we have so far. Nice little mound of foam and some moss. Now I am going to use a 60919 in purple, or in purple. It says purple, not lavender. And I'm going to just take those and make separate pieces. Just some more picks. So I'm going to trim this and make me some individual little picks and pieces. Yeah, that's good. So I'm going to start off with some of my taller greens going towards the back. I'm really just going to dress up this bunny for Easter. He looked a little bit boring and basic. I don't do boring and basic. Okay, so I don't want this coming out too far to the front. But this is what I've done so far. I've just added in this pink greenery. So next I'm going to place in my taller 60919 first. Okay. I got the rabbit from the at-home store. But I am loving this already. Look how pretty that looks. Just with two bushes that I've added, two stems. The pink one and this lavender stem. I'm loving how it's looking so far. So I'm thinking I want just a little bow, a little bit of ribbon right in here in this general area. So I'm going to go ahead and just make me 2 loops and 2 tails. Get a zip tie. So it's not a big extravagant bow, it's really just a small simple bow. that I'm using. And I'm going to so, like I said, I kind of want this just tucked right into that greenery. I am going to turn it around just so I can see where I'm placing it. Okay, so, y'all, that's where I stuck that bow. And notice how it's not really big or overpowering, and that's exactly what I want, because I'm still going to add some of these florals in here. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to trim this stem down. So this is going to be my taller one. Going ahead and adding some glue. Coming back right back behind some of these florals. Okay, so I stuck that pink floral in there. Next I want to come back and just add some more. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to put in some white geraniums. Come in. I think so. Yes, I am going to switch out that ugly burlap bow that came with him. That is not doing it for me. So yeah, look how pretty that looks. So I am going to rip off this ugly bow. And what I want to do is I'm going to bring in and I'm going to make me a little bow, a bow tie, just for that, and I want to glue that right in. Let's see, I want to measure out about 12 inches or 11 inches worth of ribbon. Okay. I'm just folding that on itself. That's perfect. So I just kind of made a whole circle, found my middle, running that together. Get me a pipe cleaner. And I'm going to bring in some more of that green. Just a little piece of green to make the center of that bow tie. So I glued down that welcome hanger, and now I'm just going to get my bow and I'm going to glue that, set that right on top of it. I'm going to hold it down. So Y'all, look how cute that little bow tie is now. And it still has the welcome sign. I'm trying to put some more hot glue, kind of hold down that bow tie. So next, I do want to add some carrots. I did have some carrots left over from a project, so I am going to add some of those in as well. Okay, so I'm just putting that skewer inside that carrot, and now just going to glue that carrot into that foam. I'm gonna add in geranium right in the middle of my bow. And all I'm doing is I'm just cutting a little notch in that, because this is foam and it's wrapped. Yeah, it's just a barbecue skewer. Okay, so yeah, we're done.